Question number 6. What have you learned about technologies from the process of constructing this product? Well, during the main creation of my product, I've gained a lot of knowledge and research in terms of the technology, and it has allowed me to improve my media product thoroughly. The image below shows the image HD Canon camera that me and my group recorded our footage with in order to ensure different shots in our open scene were included and were affected. We had to use a camera which was very clear. In addition, me and my group found out that the HD Canon was provided to be very effective, as we were able to record the footage in extreme high definition, and the quality of the sounds were very good. A clear microphone and tripod was used to ensure that the sound quality was perfect. We also used to ensure that a windshield to make sure that there was no irrelevant sound picked up. I used Photoshop to edit the logo of the film. The reason using this is because Photoshop allows me to edit the logo in extreme detail, as you have the option to edit each layer that you have selected in different ways. And in terms of editing the actual footage, we used Adobe Premiere, which allowed us to quickly edit each segment of the footage which was provided by the camera, including sounds, color correction, followed by clear cuts that was we use the standard PC to edit our footage onto Adobe Premiere, which then we use to cut, include color correction, sound effects, and in addition to the use of Photoshop, I also use Photoshop to design the logo, because as I said before, each layer can be manipulated and it can be used to advantage.